Get box right there. $5 with 2 catalogs. 5, 7.5. I got a buy, bid out 7.5. 5 and 7.5 and out 10. 7.5 and out 10. You want 7.5? Leave it $10 where? I got 7.5. Got a 10. 7. Got a 10. 7. Got a 10. 7. Got a 10. 12.5. 10. Bid down 12.5.
All right, folks. Here we go. We're revving up our engines. Big sale. 27th of October, 2018. The Pat Fresna hand sale. We've got all kinds of goodies here in Lecanto, starting out with this beautiful Volusia motorcycle. We've got a couple of converted Schwinn's right here with the bikers on them right now, and a lineup of mowers and stanchions and exercise equipment. This sale will kick off at 9 o'clock, a preview at 8 o'clock this Saturday. The Power Stroke, the 1996 350 Power Stroke dually will be sold along with this beautiful Chevrolet as well. Let me take a quick shoot down the side over here, show you some of what we got coming at you as the sale kicks off. Whole shop full of tools. Pat was a tinkerer, a builder, an inventor, and we have been asked to liquidate all of the products he's got here at the house. Here's hose reels and binders, power sprayers. He had a power spraying business and roof coating business. Here's a nice gas-powered blower, barbecue grill, assortment of traps and hoses and chains and saws. We've got new tires. We've got tires off the rim. We've got tires on the rim, a trailer kit right here, axles and a pair of fenders. We got assortment of tires for off-roaders, lawnmower. We got go-kart over here. We got some pedal cars, assortment of tools over there. On the back lineup, he was making the gas-powered bicycles conversions. So we've got a whole fleet of bicycles here that he had deemed suitable for that project. So we'll be selling those as well. Once again, he was in the coating business, the roof coating business, so we have lots of lines and pumps. We'll get to those in just a minute, but here's just a few of the hoses. We've got tanks right here for holding chemicals or water or fluid. We've got a big tank on a trailer back there. The Southern Concrete pavers is his patented sidewalk pouring equipment. We've got this big Connex box we're going to be selling, along with all the jacks, the simplex jacks. We've got the a number of drums back here. Nice aluminum fuel tank. The fast track pavers. We've got 12 of the fast track pavers we're going to be selling as well. 2 semi trucks. Here's one right there. 2 semi boxes. There's another one. Got good tires on them. There's some sorted steel. We'll take a quick shot in there. Sorted steel gates over there, and we've got some angle iron, flat steel, and round pipe in the back of one of the trucks. Coming on down here, we'll get a shot of the inside of his workshop. They built race cars here as well as other equipment. We got a little bit of piping and some wood. We enter in other side of the Connex box. You can see it's in good condition. We've got a Mitsubishi forklift. Check it out. Nice right there. Back into the hydraulic shop. Here's some hydraulic cylinders in there. We got more piping. We've got chemicals for coating. Big sump pump there, and some general household materials. A number of dollies will also be here. The contents of this shed, some of which we pulled out. A lot of hardware, a lot of gears, a lot of bearing runners. There's some chain-driven hydraulic pieces back there. Some nice motors, assorted parts that they use for building race cars, mechanical equipment, and more. Vintage refrigerator, great old stove back in here. We've got a little decorative hutch. Old refrigerator. There's a Pepsi-Cola drink box over there, and a nice Century gas stove in great condition. Okay, moving on through here, we've got all kinds of tools and equipment. We're going to be selling this lift, folks. It's a nice little hydraulic operated lift, electric hydraulic. Just a short shot of the tools over here. Quality tools from socket sets to nut drivers. We got a lot of brass fittings and hoses. A nice cobalt toolbox. We're going to be selling that. We got about 75 of the Marie Osmond dolls right there. Patty collected these. She's keeping some of them, but most of these are going. There's just a quick shot of all of those right there. More hoses as we go back into the interior of the garage. We've got hundreds of gallons of sealant, both aluminum and asphalt style sealant for coating your roof, your driveway, and your barns. Spinning back around here, a number of shelves full of hardware. In the hydraulic room over here, we've got shelf loads of pipe fittings right here. There we go, we got galvanized pipe fittings, and we also have very large hose, quick disconnect hose fittings, and more boxes full of those. Jack stands, pneumatic wheels. Here's some of the fiber they used for the roof coating applications. A couple extra tanks over here for your LP gas to run your forklift if you're the high bidder. A lot of electrical parts in these cabinets here. We'll be getting to those. A little DeWalt compressor right here. On the job site compressor, a couple of Craftsman and a Husky toolbox. Nice little ladder, a floor drill press by Rockwell. Coming on through here, assorted box tools, parts bins, and more. A large set of wrenches right here. Here's a little bin of assorted power tools kicking in here. The big compressor will stay with the property, but we kind of cleaned out the shop in here. A lot of items that are boxed up and ready for tomorrow's sale. Fishing poles. We got about a dozen quality poles and reels over here. We've got an Iron Man memory foam back stretcher right there. A nice workstation Ken's working on over there. We got tires and wheels and a bench top drill press. We got some insulation, a big box full of pneumatic tools, a couple of torch sets in there. Ken's got a mobile workstation going on over there. That's kind of cool. We've got the power boats up there, remote control power boats. I'll zoom in on those. Those are pretty nice right there. Got a pair of those. Moving on down to the Husky box on the ground, just loaded full of tools. So there you go, nice stuff there. A heater's coming up. Got the boats, got the antennas. Let's shoot outside because there's a whole lot more. Like I say, sale kicks off at 8 o'clock. We're over here in Lecanto in the Leisure Acre area. Here's a whole shed full of sandblasting equipment. You got a captive air tank, brand new, a nice old antique heater. You got a clay pigeon thrower right there along with the clay pigeons and ammunition. Lots of paint. Look at the tools down there. They're just buckets and buckets of tools and hand tools. Got an assortment of hardware. Got some tools along the fence there. Brand new garden hoses, professional garden hoses. Even got a cornhole game there. Some sprayers over there, some spray tanks. Here's the coating machines right there. He's got a dual coating machine on one and then two single coaters. Moving over here, we got some gardening and potting soil. We got more barrels. A lineup of jacks right there. Beautiful commercial spray rig right there. 13 horsepower Honda motor sprayer. Look at all the jacks. We've got a 5,000 pound, 2.5 ton lift right there. Pallet jack. You got some more jacks right there. Coming on down, we got a set of 4 race car. What do you use for race car? Set of 4 scales right there, match scales. There's more tools and equipment there. You weigh your race car, or you can weigh your feed, however you want to do it. Got a couple of coolers over here, a nice little trailer there. There's a couple of ladders and some workstations. Tires in the back. We got some lumber and much more. So that's going to be Saturday the 27th. Preview will start at 8 o'clock. Auction kicks off at 9 o'clock. Come out and see us. It's going to be great weather. Food's going to be on site. I'm Robert Dudley, Dudley's Auction at number 1667. See us at dudleysauction.com for further details. Thank you very much.